Yeah. So I'm Crypto Lord and I welcome you all to my phone screen. So today I want to show you how you can make money using Bybit. How you can make money using Bybit. Our focus right now is based on the P2P trade. That's peer to peer trade. Yeah. So how can you make money doing the P2P trade? And that's the main focus of this video. By the way, I will leave my link in the description in case you are new to Bybit and you want to start making money on Bybit. You can click on the link in the description and it will take you to Bybit and you do your registration and you do your KYC and you can start doing everything. Yeah. So when you open Bybit, this is how it is. Then you go to your P2P trade. You go to your P2P trade. So this is your P2P trade. So you click on P2P. You can see that we have buy and we have sell. So buy means that you are here to buy USDT using Ghana cedis, and if you go to sell, it means that you are there to sell your USDT in exchange of what Ghana cedis. Yeah. So you can see that too. You can buy and you cannot sell in order to make money, and you can also create or become a merchant on Bybit in order for you to make money on Bybit. You see, some of these Bybit like merchants, you can see that when you're trying to do trade with them, they'll be like, okay, I don't pay pesos. So it means that if you're ordering a USDT and you'll be receiving, let's say, 11,200.99, the 99 will not be paid to you because they have sorry that they don't pay pesos and you have agreed with it, and that's what they was earning as well. And Bybit too will pay them as well. You see, yeah. So you just come to your ads, here. Then you create your ads in a buy or sell session, whether you are there to buy USDC or there to sell your USDC. You see that thing? Yeah, so you can create ads to be there and they'll be paying you as well. Bybit will be paying you as well, and you will also be earning commission as well. So like, let's say if you buy USDC at the rate of 11.99 and you are selling it at a rate of 14, you are still making profit on it. You see that thing? Yeah. So you can do that. You can do that on a P2P. You go to ads, then you do everything. You see that thing? Yeah. So if you click on the link in the description, it will take you to Bybit. Go to the P2P, just create ads and be a merchant on Bybit on a buy session or a sell session, and you can be verified by Bybit. So it means that they will pay you as well. You see that, and they will be paying you as well, and you'll be also making in commission on a platform as well. You see that then? Yeah. So this how it is. And if you also invite people to join a platform, to join a Bybit platform to do their trade and stuff, you'll be getting commission too. You see, yeah. So Bybit is here to make you rich, to help you make more money. You see that thing? Yeah. So click on the link in the description, get your Bybit account and be part of the P2P merchants, make money from it. Yeah. So this for today, today's session is that you can be a merchant on Bybit and get commission, and at the same time Bybit will pay you for it. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and I'm Crypto Lord and I'm out.